Mermaid Liberty here. Welcome back to my channel. So I was at the California Mermaid Convention this weekend, and there was this vendor booth that I really liked. So I am not a purse person, but they had this really beautiful purse. So I was looking at it, it has a matching wallet with it, and I was like, I use a backpack. I don't use a purse. I'm a backpack person. It's too bad you don't have this in a backpack. And they're like, we do, back in our store in Los Angeles. So I was like, oh, well, can I order it? And they're like, yeah, let's place the order right now. So they're like, we have one left in stock. And I guess they're going to get more. And so I filled out the order form on their phone, paid them in cash right there on the spot, and I made it home Monday. It is Tuesday. And guess what I got in the mail? Look, you've got mermail. Mermail. Mermaid mail. Very excited. So this is from the Mermaid store. Let's see if we can get the web address up there. The-mermaid-store.com. So let's open it up and take a look. Alright, so I got my handy mermaid knife. Oh yeah. We're gonna give that a solid cut across here. We're gonna open her up. Let's take, oh. Ta-da! Look how cute that is. Let's take a closer look here. Mermaid. The beautiful. And look how sparkly the clamshell is. It's so freaking cute. Here is their contact information. So here's a cute little fur ball keychain. And front pocket's just like a standard pocket. So here it is. The super cute backpack. It's very, very shiny. Actually, maybe I should see if I turn the light down a little bit. Boop. There we go. So you can see the colors without the... My webcam has this like light on it, which is really nice for like filming, but to really get the color on this thing. So it's super shiny, like iridescent. It's got nice padded straps. They're really well attached. Camera doesn't really show it, but it shines a little more pink and purple in real life. And this is super cute. The clamshell is covered in sparkles. There's that purple color gradient. Really pretty. And it says Mermaid. So this is a really good purse option for me. It's a nice size. I can fit my book, my appointment book. It's got a really good amount of room in there. So one thing I really liked about this company and these gentlemen that I met that were running it is that they're really big into the eco-friendly products. They are about reducing single-use plastics. They sell reusable straws at their store. Just really nice guys, and I was super impressed that they got this to me this quick. So I really love it. It's really interesting material. And like I said, there is a matching wallet and matching purse available. And they also have a lot of other really cool stuff at their store. So definitely check them out. It's the Mermaid store. You can find them. They have a store, 2 stores down in the Los Angeles area. Don't miss out. You can also order online. So, you know, very cool. It was really awesome to meet them. And I will definitely be shopping again from them in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit your notification bell so that you know when my next videos are going to be posted. And happy tails!